Hello from Puerto Rico and the very first beach adventure here. I am at Playa del Capitolio and this is the first today. And this is the most central beach, I would say, as it is right down next to the capital, the governing body where the governor sits. And yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Puerto Rico. It's 11 a.m. right now. We have mostly sun with few clouds here and there. And yeah, I have only now 3 hours left to explore Puerto Rico, as we are only for 5 hours today on the stop on the cruise ship, as I am on a cruise ship on the Norwegian Breakaway, the Norwegian cruise line. Today is day 7 of the cruise and the date is 8th of January 2025. The temperature is 28 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea it is 27.2 degrees Celsius. And the color of the water here doesn't look that great. I'm not sure why, but we're gonna go in for a quick swim anyway. The beach is almost empty. There are only a few people that, based on their towels, I think they are the ones that are on my ship. It's 10 days since Miami. So the beach looks like this, very small beach, not so long and not so dry sand. Most of the sand is wet because of the high waves that there are. But here there are some rocks in front to protect from the huge waves. So yes, Playa del Capitolio in Puerto Rico, San Juan, the capital. So Puerto Rico has actually 3.2 million people that live in Puerto Rico. The capital, San Juan, only 1/10 of that, around 300,000. So it's quite a big country or state, how should I say, as it is a territory to the United States of America. But I have bought the flag anyway, since they might get independent anytime in the future. So it's good to be prepared, as I'm not really sure when I will be back to Puerto Rico. So the bottom here is sand, but it's different type of sand compared to the previous stops we had in Dominican Republic, Barbados and Antigua. It's a bit more darker sand here. And you can feel how the waves are so strong over there. But yeah, so here we can see also parts of the fort. One of the forts, there are 2 forts. I have been there also. There are very nice views. And yes, I'm so happy that I'm having the first beach adventure in Puerto Rico. And let's then get going, as I want to visit at least 2 more beaches before the day ends. Oh, that's a beautiful fish over there. What? Okay, I'm gonna show you as I go down. So 3, 2, 1. Amazing. So the water is clear here compared to yesterday in Antigua, where I couldn't see anything in the water because it was mixing with the sand, I believe, or it was polluted, I'm not sure. But here I can actually see the bottom, and hopefully it will be better on the next beaches. So greetings from Playa del Capitolio on this 8th of January 2025. Oh, there's the fish. Let me show you the fish. So I'm not sure if you've seen it, but yeah. Greetings from Playa del Capitolio in San Juan, Puerto Rico! And see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!